Are you ready to discover something truly extraordinary? We have just received news of a remarkable art installation shaped like an alien on a lake in Norway. This incredible project has been the talk of the town, and many people have been wondering what it could mean for the possibility of alien contact. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the installation, its creators, and the implications behind it. We'll explore what this art piece could mean for the potential of alien contact, and we'll also consider the deeper implications that this installation brings to the discourse of extraterrestrial exploration. So, let's get started and take a closer look at this one-of-a-kind installation. Locals in Norway have been dumbfounded and amazed by a UFO-like structure on a lake. The building does look like a UFO, but it is not one. In actuality, it is a piece of public art created to stimulate conversation about sustainable salmon farming. It weighs about 1,256 t and is situated on the Hardanger Fjord in Gardsneset. The artwork mimics the silvery skin of the fish and looks like the eye of a salmon. The salmon eye is another name for what is essentially a floating event space in the form of a fisheye that is dedicated to salmon farming. Sandra Eide, the CEO of the third-generation salmon farming business Eide Fjordbruk, provided funding for the project. Salmon that is carbon neutral is produced. The Danish design firm Kvarning Design is responsible for the salmon eye. According to a report in the Mirror, the building has been erected on top of a floating platform that can withstand waves as high as 4 meters, 13 feet. The structure has 4 floors, each with a distinct function. While the other floors are used as exhibition spaces, the lowest floor is home to a private cinema. There are numerous conference rooms and event venues there. In addition to these features, it also has a rooftop terrace area with excellent 360-degree views of the fjord and the nearby mountains. The main purposes of the room will be education, instruction, and conversation about salmon farming. Salmon Eye, according to Arne Kvarning, CEO of Kvarning Design, will revolutionize sustainable aquaculture in the future and become an international design icon for Eide Fjordbruk. I have no doubt that the Floating Aquarium Information Center and art exhibit will redefine sustainable aquaculture in all its facets. In addition, he mentioned design, interaction, research, technology, and immersive experiences. Even though the project was unveiled in 2019, it wasn't until September 2nd of this year that it was made public. There aren't any interior photos yet, so those who are curious about what it looks like inside will have to go there themselves. According to a UFO expert, there have always been aliens in this area living under the sea. UFO expert Anna Whitty asserts that aliens have always existed on Earth and that they take refuge under the oceans. A 2-hour documentary about the infamous Roswell crash will also feature Whitty, who is the author of the book UFOs, A Fundamental Truth. She continues by asserting that aliens are really just very advanced humans. Whitty's assertions are supported by Shirley Wright's testimony, an earlier associate of Albert Einstein who claimed to have spoken with the extraterrestrials discovered at the Roswell crash site. I do believe they have always existed. There is ample proof that a major cataclysm has occurred every few thousand years, she continued, so it makes sense. Whitty continues, if humans on the surface are reverted to the Stone Age every few thousand years and these people are somewhere where they are more protected because they are underground, then perhaps their technological and intellectual development is continuing on an upward trajectory while we're reverted. Millions of people around the world subscribe to theories about aliens, unidentified flying objects, abductions, and government conspiracies involving places like Roswell and Area 51. This idea even inspired the establishment of World UFO Day on July 2nd, an occasion started in 2001 to recognize the purported 1947 Roswell UFO crash. But if humanity has been able to stay advanced for millions of years through underground civilizations, these conspiracy theories could be more than just speculation. The notion of hidden civilizations gives more weight to the theories of alien visitations and government cover-ups, making it more likely that there could be some truth to them. Regardless of whether or not there is any evidence to support such theories, the idea of a hidden civilization provides an intriguing and thought-provoking concept. The possibility of hidden alien civilizations has been a topic of debate among scientists and theorists for decades. While some may consider this topic to be purely speculative, there is evidence that suggests that extraterrestrial life exists beyond our current understanding. For instance, many planets in our universe show signs of complex chemistry, suggesting that conditions for life may exist on these planets. Additionally, recent developments in technology have allowed for greater exploration of our universe, leaving open the possibility of discovering alien civilizations. While the idea of hidden alien civilizations may appear to be a stretch of the imagination, the discoveries of recent years show that this possibility should not be dismissed. It may take years before we are able to confirm the existence of any extraterrestrial species. The tantalizing possibility of hidden alien civilizations continues to excite both the scientific community and the public at large. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and watch other interesting videos in our channel.